Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create deal in HubSpot. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on this icon which is CRM, then click on Deals. Now, once inside the Deals section, click on Create Deal on the top right. After that, type in a name for it, then choose a pipeline. Also select a deal stage. Then add in an amount. You can also choose a close date for it. Then choose a deal owner. Now select a deal type and add a priority for your deal. Also, search for a contact. Then select a company. You can also add a line item if you have one. Once done, just go ahead and click on the Create button. You can also create and add another if you want, but for here, I'm just gonna create one. And there you have it. You now have your newly created deal in HubSpot. Now, if you go back to your deals list, you can see the one you created. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.